Tired of lingering smoke odors in your car and apartment? Guests notice smell, curtains and clothes retain that smoky scent. Traditional air fresheners mask but don't eliminate smoke and residue. Disposable filters and plastic devices create more waste over time. Moisture and cartridge clogging reduce effectiveness quickly during use. Smoke Trap Plus features a rubber mouthpiece that seals tightly to prevent leakage. 4-stage HEPA and activated coconut carbon eliminate smoke and smell. Comes ready with an installed filter, simple and immediate use. Replaceable zero plastic filters reduce waste and save money long term. Heavy-duty design maximizes airflow, delivering extended filter life over 500 puffs. Hydrophobic mouthpiece screen keeps HEPA dry, extending filter longevity. Screen is removable and easy to clean for simple maintenance. Compact matte black design stays discreet in cars, apartments, pockets. Reusable system cuts plastic waste and lowers ongoing filter costs. Enjoy cleaner air, odor-free spaces, and confident hosting anytime.